Hey there, I bet you're watching this video because you want to earn from home, working on the financial markets. Well, I'm glad to tell you that you came to the right place. My name is Angie, I am a financial analyst with Olymp Trade, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about the benefits of our platform and show you how easy it is to start. Just imagine two financial instruments, fixed time trading, FTT, and Forex available to trade at the same time. Tons of different assets from different sectors and categories. Olymp Trade is the easiest and most comfortable access to the financial markets. Let me show you. Welcome to the platform. First, let's talk about different assets. In the upper left corner is where you can find all the different assets or financial instruments that you can trade on the Olymp Trade platform. You can choose to trade different cross-currency pairs, which is a relation of how much one country's currency is worth compared to the other. There are different commodities. These are resources such as Brent oil, natural gas, and metals such as gold and silver. You can choose to trade from a huge list of large company stocks like Apple, Amazon, Boeing, and many others. The platform offers all major indices. This is a combination of different large company stocks, which as an index help to gauge the state of different economies. For example, the German DAX, United States Dow Jones, and UK FTSE. Many traders love to trade cryptocurrencies, and you can take your pick here: Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, and ETF. This is a collection of securities such as stocks and/or commodities. The securities can be dedicated to a certain sector like the real estate or have different combinations. The most awesome thing is that you don't have to buy or own any of these assets. Simply trade and make money on their price fluctuations. Let me show you how. The Olymp Trade platform is divided into two main parts: fixed time trading, FTT, and Forex. When you choose a desired asset, its price movement and changes will be displayed on the chart of the platform. If we choose the fixed time trading instrument, what we have to do is determine if the price of the asset will be higher or lower than the current price after a certain period of time. Here is where you would enter your trade amount, and this is where you would choose the expiration time or trade duration. This is in how long the trade will close. And as a general rule, it is recommended for the trade duration to be ×2 or ×3 your working time frame. The time frame is located in the bottom center of the platform. It changes how often the chart gets updated. This means that if I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame, each candlestick will show me how the price has changed each 1 hour. And if this is my working time frame, then my trade duration should be 2 or 3 hours. If I am looking at the 15-minute time frame, then each candlestick is going to show me how the price changes every 15 minutes. And in this case, my trade duration should be 30 to 45 minutes. So looking at this example, we have Euro-US dollar, and we're looking at the 15-minute time frame. If we forecast that the price will be higher than the current price in 30 to 45 minutes, then we would click on the green button. And if we believe that the price will be lower than the current price, we would click on the red button. The profit will be fixed at the rate of return, which you can see displayed next to each asset. This means that if you enter a trade for $100, the rate of return is 82%, and if your prediction is correct, your profit will equal to $82, and $182 will be added back to your account balance. As you can see, Olymp Trade provides a high rate of return up to 92%, which means high profit. Now, two important things to note. First, it does not matter by how much the price changes as long as it is either higher or lower than the opening price. So the price could change significantly or by just 1 point. Your profit will be the same. Remember, fixed at the rate of return percentage. And second, the amount of the trade is the maximum amount that a trader can potentially lose in case the forecast is incorrect, regardless of how much is deposited on the account. The second trading instrument is Forex. Let's see how it's different from FTT. The main difference is that the profit accumulation on Forex depends on by how much, meaning by how far, the price moves in the direction of our trades. There is no expiration time, which means that you can keep your trades open for as long as you like and exit the trades at the most convenient and the most profitable time. So remember, on Forex, the profit is unlimited. With Olymp Trade, there is a separate great benefit that there is no spread when compared to classical Forex. This means that the price that you see on the chart will be the price of the trade opening and trade closing. There is a commission charged for opening a trade that you can always see right here before entering the trade. Let's look at the classic currency pair Euro-US dollar. If we forecast that the price of the euro will rise in relation to the United States dollar, we would open an up trade. And likewise scenario, if we forecast that the price will go down, we would enter a down trade. Here is where you can find the multiplier. This is a financial service which allows you to increase the size of your trade by a factor of ×1 and all the way ×500 relative to the invested amount. This means that if your trade is for $100 and you're using the ×100 multiplier, you'll be trading as if your trade is actually $10,000. With the 200 multiplier, $20,000, and so forth. This is a really awesome tool which should be used with caution. Remember, the higher the multiplier, the higher the risk, but a higher potential profit. The lower the multiplier, the lower the risk, and a lower potential profit. So if you have a good signal and you are sure and confident about your trade, then use a higher multiplier. While if you have doubt, to minimize losses, use a lower multiplier. I bet your fingers are itching to try it out, right? Well, here is another awesome benefit. You can start right now for free with a demo account. Practice trading using virtual funds. Try out and practice trading on FTT and Forex using any assets for as long as you like. Make sure to check out our next video in which we'll discuss how to enter trades and how to forecast further price movements. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and ring the notifications bell. I'll see you next time.